We're here in another section of JL Audio's Miramar, Florida factory. In this area is one of the two production lines that we have dedicated to building our marine loudspeaker products. When we set out to do marine loudspeakers, we decided to do a little bit differently than everybody else. We thought that there was a place in the market for a truly high quality product that not only performed better, but was built with better materials and was able to withstand the harsh environment of real marine environments, real saltwater environments like what we have here in Florida where we're located. In order to ensure top quality, there really is no substitute for having the very engineers who design the product overseeing the production of the product, which is one of the reasons why we think it's so important to build the products right here in the USA. It lets our engineers oversee production, it lets them oversee the entire quality control process, inspect each and every component that goes into the product, and really produce a better quality product for our customers. One that you guys can sell with pride, knowing that not only you're selling the best marine speaker on the market, but you're also selling one that's made with pride right here in the USA.